Hi Grandad, how you doing?
Good, thanks.
So what are you up to?
So we're making Kaising Ming tonight. So in here we've done little finely julienned carrots with beans and also some julienne sort of thing, celery. So that's that. Now what I'm doing is the cabbage. So we've just taken the core bit out and we've tidied it up, and now we're just slicing it, not super thin, but not too thick either. So we're doing that. And so I'm guessing, Grandma, we then have to brown the mince, and we'll put, is it some curry? What else goes in it? Curry powder?
So I've already cut up the onions.
Good.
Or
Onions.
one onion. And got the veggies ready. And so when Granddad's just doing the cabbage, so once you've cut those, you could cut those pieces in half, Granddad, so they're not so long.
Yeah.
And then I'll get the fry pan ready and we'll turn the fry pan on, and I'm going to spray it and put some oil in. So just recapping, we've got 2 carrots and a couple of stalks or stems of celery and big handful of beans which I've cut up, plus half a little cabbage and an onion. Okay, so I've put the onion and fried that, got that until it was fairly well cooked, and so brown the onion, and then I've put the minced steak in. So I'm just browning this at the moment. Oops, still lost a bit of meat. So once I've finished browning this meat, so it's 500 grams of minced steak you need. Then I'll add a big teaspoon or 2, maybe, you might just want to put 1 teaspoon in, depends on how much curry you like. It makes it nice and tasty. And then I put a couple of tablespoons of soya sauce in, and 3 tablespoons of rice. So that's what I do once I've done this meat. Then I add all the veggies and cover with 2 cups of water. Then I put the lid on, turn it down, and cook it for about 45 minutes. Keep an eye on it, stir it every now and again, and put a little bit extra water in if it runs out of water. So by the time it cooks, don't want it really runny, you want it nice and, we'll have to take a photo of it when we're finished. That's really yummy, isn't it, Grandad? Have I missed anything?
That's all looking pretty good.
Okay.
So let's do a quick recap, ingredients and what you've done there.
So just with the meat, you mean? Yep. So in here is an onion that's been chopped fine. So I sprayed my pan, put a little bit of oil in, cooked that first, then I've added 500 grams of minced steak, and now I'm browning that till it's pretty much cooked.
And to that you're going to add, it was how much curry? Maybe we put 2 or 3. You're suggesting maybe 1.
Maybe just 1 teaspoon.
How much soy sauce?
And I put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in.
Right, and then you're going to put in some, how much rice?
3 tablespoons.
And then
I add all the vegetables.
And what else?
And 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water.
And then I put the lid on top.
And simmer for 40-45 minutes.
I turn the heat down. Yeah.
Okay, all right. We'll leave Grandma to it. We'll see how it looks when it's all cooked.
Well, it's now about 45 minutes, or nearly an hour later. Then I've had to put in some more water about halfway through. So I had said put 2 cups of water in. You actually have to put 3 cups of boiling water in over all the veggies and meat. Anyway, we'll lift the lid. I've been stirring it every now and again. So we'll lift the lid and see what it's like. So you see it's not runny, but it's not sticking to the bottom. So it's just perfect for us to dish up now and to eat. You can put some pepper in it. Probably don't need any salt because of soy sauce, but always season your meals. It's always good. So if you like some pepper, put some pepper in. I hope you enjoy. Bye.